useful. Yes, right, carry on. This way, lads. Oh.
He's a really useful engine, you know. All the other engines, they'll tell you so. He huffs and puffs and whistles, rushing to and fro. He's the really useful engine we adore.
Oops, sorry.
He's the one.
Oh!
He's the one. He's the really useful engine that we adore. He's the one. He's the one you know. Thomas the Tank Engine.
Oh, that's very useful, isn't it? Having another small engine to get in the way.
He's still learning, Gordon. I'm just showing him what to do. Thomas! Uh-oh!
He's a really useful engine, you know. 'Cause the fat controller, he told him so. Stand back in amazement, just you watch him go. He's the really useful engine we adore. He's the one. He's the one. He's the really useful engine that we adore. He's the one you know. Thomas the Tank Engine.
What's this?
Thomas the Tank Engine.
Oh.
Wake up, lazy bones! Why don't you work hard like me?